Okay, we're here at 19427 Hart Street here in Reseda. So we're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. You'll have your general inspector run the water through the house. The house is on a concrete slab, and this inspection is based on my opinion. So we started off by running a camera from, there's a 3-inch clean out over here in the side of the house near the gas meter, and we're running our camera from there. We're all the way out to the city connection in the street. There's the city sewer right there. So we're going to bring the camera back. So there's the city sewer. As we come back in a big 6-inch clay pipe coming back from the middle of the street towards the property. This all appears to be in pretty good condition over here. Okay, here it's going to come onto the property, changes to the ABS plastic here. Now, I'll tell you what, Rigoberto, hold on, I'm going to pause the recording. Okay, so she's going to go flush the toilet. Let's just see here. Let's just see something. Let's just go forward. Just go forward. Go. Okay, right over here. Let's see what happens. So there's the water coming over there. So there's two separate lines going here. One going to the house, and this is coming to this pipe over here, whatever this clean house will. Let's bring the camera back all the way, because coming back from here, it's all ABS plastic coming back from this is all in good condition. We're going to have to go from the roof vent of the toilet to see the pipe going through the front yard. So let me just bring the camera back over here. The kitchen drain is blocked, so I don't know why there's no water coming out of there. We're just going to bring the camera back. This is like a two-way clean out over here. Okay, put the camera to go up into the house. There, go toward. And see where does this go to. See, it's going up. I don't know. Okay, who knows what this is for anyway. Okay, bring the camera out. We're going to pause the recording when it go from the roof vent by the toilet. Okay, so we're actually running the camera from a roof vent, the main roof vent above the toilet. But just to let you know that the kitchen sink is blocked, and you're going to need to have somebody to snake that through, because we don't know what the condition of the pipe that comes underneath the floor from the kitchen. It's blocked right now. Anyway, running the camera from the roof vent, we're all the way out to the property line, right by the 4x6 connection. So we're going to bring the camera back. So there's the connection that connects both sides of the house. As it comes back in a 4-inch clay pipe, which actually looks in pretty decent condition. There were some very minor roots and the very minor little surface cracks. Nothing to be really concerned about. However, we would probably recommend that a clean out be installed. See, there's a little bit of roots over there. We want to recommend a clean out where a pipe comes out of the house. So I'm just going to bring it back. Cast iron pipe here. I'll tell you what, go forward. Rigoberto, go forward. Forward. More. Okay, stop here. I'm going to pause this, and this would be a good place to have a clean out. Okay, so we've located the spot 2.5 feet deep where the pipe exits the house underneath the concrete. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to have a clean out installed there. So we're going to bring the camera back, and then it comes into a cast iron pipe It looks like it's in pretty fair condition. Remember, we look at the inside of the pipe, cannot see the outside of the pipe, but it looks pretty decent though. So here it comes up the roof vent over here. So everything looks pretty good so far. Here we are on the roof. I'm just going to pause the recording, but everything looks pretty good. I would be a little concerned about the kitchen waistline because that's obviously blocked, and that would need to be snaked out and make sure that it could drain. Sorry. Let me pause the recording. Okay, this inspection was done by sewer line video, and we'll go ahead, stop the recording over here.